Namaste, Rahul.
Namaste, Guruji.
Okay, now you can give your speech.
Guruji, myself, Rahul. The Independence Day was celebrated in August 15th. The Declaration of Independence pledged through the Congress passed the Purna Swaraj resolution in December 1929. It was a month later, on January 26, 1930, when a pledge of Indian independence, also known as Declaration of Independence, was taken. In 1947, the British agreed to transfer power and political finance to India, and 15th August became the official Independence Day. However, the new Constitution of India, as drafted and approved by the Constituent Assembly, was mandated to take effect on January 1950. To commemorate the 1930 declaration. Separate nation today, the area of land called Pakistan was a part of India before the independence period. The fight for independence was fought together by the Hindus and the Muslims. The most important difference between India and Pakistan today is that where Pakistan is a Muslim culture, one religion country. India is a secular nation with multicultures and multi-religions. Many explanations were given and are still being given for the partition. The main reason that led to the formation of Pakistan movement was that the minority group of Muslims in certain provinces faced social and political marginalization. It is also said that partition happened, as we all know, because of the divide and rule policy of Britishers. Muslim League was not given enough representation in the National Congress that time, and they were disappointed. Britishers exploited this and infuriated hatred between Hindus and Muslims, and we all know what happened next. Dr. Ambedkar books on Pakistan and entitled Pakistan or Partition of India is a great piece of work and gives quite a few answers to the questions to the partition. Which only that much.
Yeah, very good, Rahul. Very good. You have given more information about our Independence Day and what had happened. You have made us to go back to our independence, before independence. Okay. It's very nice, Rahul. Thank you for participating.
Thank you.
Yeah, now you can say. Namaste.
What freedom means to me? To me, freedom means to be available to go to school, to run around, almost anything without worrying. I was no like none. Unlike other countries, we did not and to wonder whether you are going to live through the day.
That much. Okay, Gagan Yadav, you have tried your level best. It is very good attempt. Very good, Gagan. Thank you. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji. Today I am telling about Independence Day pledge. August 15th of every year is celebrated as Independence Day of India with pride by all over the country. India became free from British rule because of the hard work, sacrifice of our proud freedom fighters. I salute all of them. India is now one of the fastest growing and biggest democracy country in the world. Today as the true Indian, I pledge for the pollution free, plastic free, corruption free India. I pledge to follow laws I pledge to follow our laws and give my words to make my India bright across the world in future. Thank you all. Belated Happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
Yeah, it's a very good, Poshika. You have given a very good pledge. We also will definitely follow it. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Namaste Guruji. Myself Dhanush M. My topic is about what is freedom means to me. To me, freedom means to be able to learn from my mistakes. If I didn't have freedom, I would have to do what the top authorities always tell me to do. I didn't have any room for mistakes, so it would be harder to learn about life. Freedom also means having the time to do things right. To me, freedom means the right to choose. I can choose my friends, my actions, my life. I can decide what I want to be when I grow up or where I might want to live. If all of those brave men and women hadn't forgot for us in war, who knows where America would be today.
Yeah, you have given a very good speech, my dear Dhanush. Okay, it is a
Thank
very
you.
good try. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.
Myself, Digant. My topic is Independence Day pledge. The British government in India has independence has not only deprived of their freedom but has based itself on the exploitation of the masses. In 1947, British agreed to transfer the power and political finance of India, and 15th August became official Independence Day. However, the new Constitution of India has drafted and approved by the Constituent Assembly was mandated to take effect on 26 January 1950. Commemorate the 1930 declaration, Paidamari Venkata Subha wrote Indian pledge. Thank you. Jai Hind, Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
Okay, thank you, Digant. You have given lots of information to us. It is a very good try. Namaste, Digant.
Namaste, Guruji.
Good evening, Guruji. My name is Mithun Yu. I'm studying in grade 2. My topic is Independence Day pledge. The national pledge is an oath of allegiance to the Republic of India. It is said by Indians and in Republic, like in school and during and Indian to Independence Day and Republic Day celebration of ever the pledge is put out pass out of Can't issues. Thank you.
Very good, Mithun. You have tried your level best. It is a very good try. Very good. Keep it up there, Mithun. Okay. Namaste.
My name is Sri Lakshmi. I am telling about my motherland. My greatest service to my motherland will be to become fully educated and do the things by which my mother's name and fame will be raised up, to make it clean and green by planting trees and putting garbage into our bins, is to make all poor people rich, so can they stand on their legs. Make it clean. Thank you, Guruji.
Yeah, Sri Lakshmi, you have given a very good idea for us and very good thought to us, and you have taught us to keep our environment clean. It is a very good thought. Thank you for that, Sri Lakshmi. It is a very good try. Namaste.
Namaste, Guruji.